Are you super confused about what's going on in today's housing market? Well, guess what? You're not the only one. The headlines right now, they're either scary or can be misleading. Stay tuned in this video and I'm going to share with you how to separate what is the fact and what is the fiction in today's market. Aloha, Kristine Dugan here. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home this year, chances are you probably want to know a couple things like, what are the experts saying about what's going on with home prices, and maybe what's going on with interest rates, and maybe you have some more questions. Well, here's the thing. The headlines right now aren't helping people, and it's a lot of information to go through, and it can be super overwhelming. And you don't have to figure out all the stuff on your own. Local experts can help you separate the fact from the fiction, and we'll explain what's really going on in the market. We'll put it in normal terms and not scary headlines. And when it's time for you to make a move, I can walk you through what today's trends mean for you and your real estate goals. So the next time you have questions about the housing market, let me help you find the answers. I compare my experience with the most recent data so we can go over all of it together so you can understand and trust that this is the best timing for you when you want to move forward with buying or selling a home this year. Don't let the scary headlines fool you, and don't let that divert you from your real estate goals this year. Feel free to connect with me directly and we can set up a time to chat, or go ahead and make a comment below and we can connect. And as always, subscribe to my channel. That way you can get all the latest real estate information on Kauai possible and all the latest market updates. Thanks so much. Make it a great day. Aloha.